Today is August 2nd. We're here at Hildebrand Machinery Company doing a video for our Trak LPM Vertical Machining Center. This is a 2018 machine. The full specifications, serial number, list of equipped with items can be found at hildebrandmachinery.com, and then from there you can email or call us and we'll be happy to answer any questions you have. As noted, this is a 2018 machine and it has come to us with the 4th axis and tailstock, which is fully integrated into the machine via the plug there. There's the tool setting, height gauge. This machine has various aluminum subplates with the ball lock system that Southwestern Industries uses. That is what the ball locks look like, box of them. Both of these carts and the assorted 40 taper tooling that is here and these aluminum plates will all go with the machine. The machine itself has chip auger, which we didn't put the end chute on. This is the PMX control, side mounted tool changer. No paint touch-ups or anything of that nature. This is how the machine came to us. It's very clean, very nice. The writing is the original writing is still on the spindle there. We have tools in it. We have a small program keyed up. We'll run in just a minute. Those are coolant hoses that have just been disconnected and hanging. That was for removal. Okay, it's going to be a basic program. It's going to run the whole speeds up to 8,000 RPM, do some movements and tool changes, and be done. That's 1,000 RPM we're starting at. And that's 2,000, there's 3,000. 4,000. Got 5,000 RPM. This is 7,000 RPM. That's this top speed, 8,000 RPM. Basic completed program. If there are any additional questions, please feel free to contact us and we will be happy to help.